If you think aliens only exist in sci-fi movies or on distant planets, think again. Some scientists believe we may already be living alongside them underwater. Octopuses are slippery, shape-shifting masters of disguise. They are so strange that some researchers have suggested they might not be from Earth. That's right. Scientists have actually entertained the idea that octopuses could have alien origins. Let's dive into why first. Their DNA is like nothing else on this planet. In 2015, a group of scientists sequenced the octopus genome. What they found was shocking. Octopuses have around 33,000 protein coding genes more than humans. And the structure of their DNA is so unique, it doesn't match that of any other creature on Earth. One scientist described it as alien in the literal sense. Next, let's talk about their brains. Octopuses are insanely smart. They can solve puzzles, open jars, escape aquariums, and even use tools. But what's truly bizarre is how their intelligence works. 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are in its arms. That means each arm can act almost independently, like it has its own mini-brain. Imagine if your hands had minds of their own. That's octopus life. Their camouflage abilities are straight up supernatural. Octopuses can change the color and texture of their skin in milliseconds to blend perfectly into their surroundings. They don't just disappear, they become part of the background. Scientists still don't fully understand how they do it, but we know it's controlled by specialized skin cells called chromatophores. It's the kind of biological tech you'd expect from a sci-fi movie, not a tide pool. And then there's their body. No bones, no real shape. They can squeeze through holes the size of a coin. It's like they're made of liquid muscle. Some species even glow in the dark. Others mimic venomous fish or snakes to avoid predators. They're biological shapeshifters. So where does the alien theory come in? In 2018, a group of scientists published a controversial paper in a peer-reviewed journal suggesting that octopuses might have originated from an alien virus or even frozen eggs that came to Earth on a comet. They weren't saying that octopuses are literally little green men, but that their evolutionary leap might have been helped along by something extraterrestrial. This idea ties into a fringe theory called panspermia, which proposes that life didn't start on Earth, but was seeded here by comets or meteorites carrying microbes or genetic material from outer space. Could it be that octopuses, or at least their building blocks, came from beyond our world? Now, most mainstream scientists don't buy the alien origin theory. It's speculative at best. But even without the extraterrestrial angle, octopuses are incredibly mysterious. They appeared suddenly in the evolutionary record with no clear ancestor, and despite being so intelligent, they only live for a couple of years. The more we study them, the more questions we have. Why do they behave so differently from other sea creatures? How did their brains evolve so rapidly? And why are they so smart if they don't form societies or raise young, whether or not they're aliens? Octopuses are a reminder of how little we understand about life on our own planet. They challenge what we think we know about biology, intelligence, and evolution. So the next time you see an octopus at an aquarium or on your dinner plate, remember, you might be looking at the strangest, most alien life form on Earth. Stay curious, because the weirdest creatures might be the ones living right under your nose or just beneath them. Waves, subscribe to the Brain Glitch Zone for more fun videos about the strange and curious world around us.